Sound mind comes from the word sophronismus. From the root word sophron. From the word zozo. Pag sinabi mong zozo, you are saved in the past, you are saved today, and you are saved in the future, you are saved forever. Sophron. Yung pron naman o friend is mind. So, ang ibig sabihin pala ng sound mind is saved mind. Sa Tagalog, iniligtas na kaisipan. Dapat bang iligtas ang pag-iisip? Yes, because it was been corrupted by Satan. I like it most when that word was used. Now that you do have the Spirit of God dwelling in you, ano ang meron ka? Forever saved mind. Yan ang meron ka. Yan ang meron ako. Nagkaroon ka na ng matinong pag-iisip, and that is forever. Your corrupted mind ay iniligtas na yan. At hindi lang iniligtas noon, inililigtas ngayon, at inililigtas even in the days to come. Why? You must be asking God why. Because the promise of God is Jesus came so that we might have abundant life.